Build. 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 Transitive verb. Definition: construct something, typically something large, by putting parts or material together over a period of time. Example: the factory was built in 1936. Noun. Definition: the dimensions or proportions of a person's or animal's body. Example: she was of medium height and slim build. Noun. Definition: the style or form of construction of something, especially a vehicle. Example: the car's high specification and impressive build quality.
Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to get more free learning resources.